Gia, it's also your second time to be part of the women's national team. How does it feel to be part of the training pool?
Parang ayaw mo pa sagutin eh.
Komportable na.
I'm really happy kasi may mga bagong teammates din kami and parang sobrang na-revamp yung lineup namin. So looking forward kami to see how we'll perform. Pero syempre, we have to prepare well din kasi tayo yung host eh. So we have to put effort into it talaga na may maipakita tayo para sa bayan talaga.
Speaking of mga bagong teammates, Alyssa, ikaw veterano ka na dito. It's your third year to be playing in the SEA Games.
Okay.
So, kanino ka pinaka-excited or sino yung pinaka-excited ka makasama?
Alam mo, it's really exciting to be with my old teammates, former teammates in the national team. Kasi, syempre, kami na yung... Kami, hindi, pinagdaanan talaga namin yung hirap. But, lalong-lalo na, we're excited to welcome the mga young and new but talented and skillful mga volleyball players from different side of the world. So,
Tulad ni
Chang, kala ko ikaw ay kala nga. So, sina Kalei and the other, Aloha, from ano kasi?
From Hawaii.
So, ayan, we're excited to welcome them to the team and definitely, ang pinaka-excited talaga kaming lahat, makasama ang mga batang nagpe-perform ng maganda ngayon sa kani-kanilang respective teams talaga.